Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to... Oh, wait. It's kind of a scary day today. It's a very unlucky day, I just noticed. Welcome to Friday, September 13th, 2019. So it's an unlucky Friday maybe, but could be lucky for some of you because there is a riddle for the day, so someone might get it correct today. So today is Friday, September 13th. Here are our morning announcements. Birthdays! What are the birthdays for today? We have Liliana Carlson. Happy birthday to you, Liliana. Hope you have a wonderful day. Lunch choices. We have cheese pizza, turkey spinach panini, and chef salad with roll. I wonder how many people will get number 2 today. That will be an interesting one to see how many get that. And our pause samples we have brought to you by second grade Mrs. Lake's class.
All right, it's time for our pause for today, and we have 3 students here from Mrs. Lake's second grade to go over some paw examples today.
Respect others. Take turns. Be kind.
Those are great things. Thank you, guys.
They're very emotional about those paws today. So thank you guys. I appreciate your help with it. And today's gratitude for the day, I'm going to take one of those things that one of our second grade students said today about being kind. So let's make sure that we do kind things with our friends and our staff and our teachers today. Let's be kind on this Friday the 13th. Well, it's not really Halloween yet, but I like doing that voice. All right. Our riddle for today would be, what word is always spelled incorrectly? So what word is always spelled incorrectly? If you know the answer and you find me out and about, then you can give me a response. Again, what word is always spelled incorrectly? At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. Much appreciated today for our announcements. And boys and girls and staff, let's have a wonderful Friday. Let's make it a positive one, and let's finish this week out strong. Have a great day.